Colonel Harlan Sanders, the man behind the delectable KFC, embarked on his culinary adventure when he was in his 40s. Armed with a secret recipe featuring 11 carefully chosen herbs and spices, he transformed setbacks into a crispy triumph. Facing numerous rejections, Sanders, at the ripe age of 65, hit the road with unwavering determination, spreading the magic of his mouth-watering fried chicken. In 1952, the first KFC franchise emerged, and from that point forward, the amazing success story of KFC unfolded. Sanders' journey serves as a spicy saga, a proof to the belief that age is merely a number when it comes to realizing flavor-filled dreams. His legacy lives on, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs to follow their passion.